KiiiKiii in the building right now. If you guys don't follow my Instagram, if you do, you know that I was at Head in the Clouds. I got to see KiiiKiii live. Fire, by the way. Oh my god, the crowd was hyped for them. They performed I think not this song. This song just came out like 9 hours ago. They performed this song. We're gonna be checking out Candy Pink Whole Flip Phone. Wait, Candy Pink Magic Whole Flip Phone. Which when I first heard the title, I was like, what the hell? But it was lit. It was lit. But we're going to check out the visualizer after this. But we're going to check out Pop Off MV. By the way, be sure to follow the Instagram and follow my stories because it gets lit over there in the story sometimes. You know, like Head in the Clouds was crazy. You can tell that my voice is almost, it's coming back. But it's there. It went through it. It was dry over there. It was a good time. Got to see some new faces, old faces, iconic faces. It was a good time. But KiiiKiii came out with Pop Off. Let's check it out, shall we? Wait, go back. Oh, literally stop. Kia? A summer song, basically. Okay. Oh, is that Sims? Is she a Sim playing a Sim? That's okay. Oh, this is an interesting music video. Damn. Oh, that was fire. Wait, this editing is crazy. What? Oh wait, I think I saw teasers of this because I remember the outfits. Wait, what does the switch up? Okay, man. All right. Hold up. Oh, some baddie-ish. The KiiiKiii travel reminds me of like Wii. I think it's just the eyes. Oh, these beautiful shots. I want to go on vacation. It's been a minute. Wow, the upbeatness too is crazy. Ooh, the gold shoes. Okay, fashion statement. There was an old lady there. Pop, flipsy. Okay. What's alright? Don't stop. Let it drop. It doesn't sound like it, but I think that when it goes flip flop, that's what it reminds me. Okay, Supergirl. This is Europe. This is it's a little Mickey Mouse hat. Wait, KiiiKiii really be eating though. What would you call this? You would call me like my maybe Y2K vibes. Hot phone sticky. What? Wait, did that make sense? Why this is the same? This is the same like font as Forever 21. No. Pink. I think that's what it's called. Pink. Is it the Victoria's Secret thing? Like the font I'm talking about? Wait. It just looks like they're having fun. They just serving too with their outfits. It's cute. Oh, messy. Crazy. Hot phone sticky. Yeah. I get it. I get what they said. Get someone to explain to me. Yeah, like all this is like these are bronies. Not bronies. My Little Ponies. They got like these are all Y2K vibes. Okay, I got you. Pop Off KiiiKiii. Gonna check out Candy Pink Magic Whole Flip Phone. What are these names? This is stop motion, by the way, which I love stop motion. I don't know if you watch like stop motion films like Coraline or like Nightmare Before Christmas. That's stop motion, right? That's yeah. From what I remember, it was. But stop motion is lit. So this is gonna be an interesting one. All right. And now I already heard this live at Head in the Clouds. It was lit. I could finally get to like hear it with clear like headphones, you know what I'm saying, instead of speakers. I see the vibe of this like album. Oh, this is cute. I was lucky enough to get to see them up close too. They're so adorable, by the way. They waved high. Oh. It's so good. Yeah. It is way too Y2K vibes, for sure. Like the concept at least. Ooh, with the hair. This must have been interesting to film too. Oh. Okay. Scorpio inside. It's very brat vibes. I just realized. Charlie XCX. For sure. Like the vibe of it, like the concept. I don't know if you guys hear it. I hear it. Nothing wrong with it. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah. God damn. Oh, they sending a message or something? What? Was that a ram side-eyeing me with a bombastic side-eye? No, he wasn't. Where is it? It was definitely looking into my soul. I'm a key to the key. I know you love me. Oh wait, that hair was serving too. Like all her. Oh girl. Okay, period. I'm a key to the key. I know you love me. Wait, actually their looks. Are they in a play jungle gym? What? Hey, shout out KiiiKiii. All right, y'all, put a comments down below what you guys think of KiiiKii's Pop Off and Candy Pink Magic Hole Flip Phone. My God, what a title. It does. I think at least this song does give me like Bratz vibes for sure. Not Bratz. Yeah, Brat, like not Bratz like the doll, but like Bratz like Charlie XCX. Brat. But even this, I feel like the music videos, whoever's been working on their music videos and editing them, they're fire. Stop motion was cool too, but even for pop off, fire. So cute. It's definitely hella summer vibes. Where is this? This is not Greece. Someone put in the comments down below where this is. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Drake. Keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.